Hi, and welcome back to Rental Academy. So far, we've covered everything you need in order to set up your store. Now let's get into a topic we all love and appreciate: money. In this video, we'll walk you through the different ways to set up payments and most asked questions related to them. Let's go. Head over to your account settings and click on Payments. Rental Payment section will appear on the top. Click on Complete Setup to get started adding your basic details. First, legal business name. Ensure this is spelled exactly as it's displayed in your business documents. These will be uploaded later. Next, email address, country, and currency. Rental payments is currently available in the countries listed in this drop-down. Our product team is continuously working on supporting rental payments in new countries. If your country is not listed yet, you can enable online payments with Stripe. Let's click on Continue to verification. Great! You will now be directed to our payment partner Adyen to complete your rental payment account verification. You don't need to worry about completing everything at once. Your changes are saved as you progress, and you can revisit this page later on to continue. The verification process consists of three main steps: verifying your company details, verifying your bank details, and verifying the business owners. Payment providers are legally obliged to do detailed checks on your company and its shareholders before granting accounts. Bank details need to be verified so you can receive payouts. You'll be able to start accepting payments from your customers before the verification process is complete. Once everything is verified, you'll start receiving payouts. Let's start with entering your company details. Note that the required details can change depending on the country. Typically, the info includes legal business name, company registration number, business phone number, and business email. After completing the form, you'll need to upload a company document. Pay attention that the legal business name you enter is spelled exactly as it appears on your company document, and the other required information is clearly visible in the document. Perfect. Note that at this stage, you can already activate your online payments in your rental online store. The rest of the verification needs to be completed before you can receive payouts to your bank account. As soon as the rental payment status is active, you'll be able to start accepting payments from your customer by enabling your preferred payment methods. You must upload a company registration document to verify your company details. But what is a company registration document? This document needs to be issued by a reliable independent source such as the National Commercial Register of the country where your business is registered in, and it needs to be issued within the last 12 months. Please make sure that the issue date is visible on the document, or the document can contain a signature and a state of affairs with the date not older than 1 year. Also, ensure the following requirements for the document: formats: JPEG, JPG, PNG, or PDF. File size minimum 1 kilobyte and maximum 4 megabytes, and maximum 2 pages long. To verify your bank details, you need to fill out the name on the bank account, country code, currency code, and IBAN. To complete verifying your bank details, we need a document from your bank. This can be any of the following: bank statement, screenshot from your online banking environment, official email or letter from your bank. The following information needs to be visible on the document: the account holder name. This must match the legal business name, trading name, or the name of the individual conducting business. The account number or IBAN. The date of issuance, which must be less than 12 months ago. The country where the bank account is located. For EU bank statements, the country can be verified from the IBAN. An indicator that the document was issued by a bank, such as the bank name, a bank logo, or a bank-specific font. Additionally, the following file format and size requirements apply: formats: JPEG, JPG, PNG, PDF, and size minimum 1 kilobyte, maximum 4 megabytes. Final step for verifying your rental payments account is providing details of the business owners. It is required that you provide at least the details of the following two roles: personal details of the person who has signing authority, personal details of at least one ultimate beneficial owner, UBO, which is typically a person who owns 25% or more of the company. A UBO can either be an owner that owns 25% or more of the company, a controller, a shareholder that is able to make decisions on behalf of the business but is not necessarily an owner. Most UBOs are also signatories, but not all signatories are UBOs. To complete verifying the business owners, a photo identification such as passport is required. The photo ID can be any of the following: passport, a government-issued ID card, or a driver's license. Additional requirements for the photo ID: be non-expired, be in color. For passports, have the MRZ visible, separate files for front and back when using ID documents and driver licenses. Formats: JPEG, JPG, PNG, PDF, maximum 2 pages, and the size minimum 1 kilobyte, maximum 25 megabytes. Verifying your details typically takes 2 to 3 days from our payments team. If the verification fails, you receive feedback on why it has failed. If you are not able to pass the verification with the help of the feedback available, please reach out to us via the in-app chat and we will be happy to help you. Thank you for watching this video. Now let's start to get paid.